Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel on today, December 12th, and step 12 of our Elvis Presley Advent calendar build. Once again, if you haven't seen the previous episodes, they're all linked down in the description below, and at the end I will have a playlist with all of them in there so you can watch them all in order. If this is your first time to the channel, hey, welcome and thanks for tuning in. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up and clicking that subscribe button down below, I would really appreciate it. And all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Alright, so let's get in and see what December 12th has to offer us today. Alright, so let's find the box marked December 12th, and it's right here. Okay, let's open this up. What do we have? Okay, we have an Elvis Presley pin. Alright, that's kind of cool. So obviously we don't have any assemble steps in this part of the kit, so that's alright. It's a nice little button. This really isn't as much of a model kit as I had hoped, but it is a cool little advent calendar for an Elvis fan. And it's also good for just, you know, if you know somebody that's an Elvis fan, or you could do it with your kids maybe. This is pretty straightforward and good for that. But let's just set that aside. We'll close our box up and we will put that in here. And we can see our picture is changing. And we're getting pretty close. I mean, we're a lot closer now. I think we're a little more than halfway, so that's cool. So let's see what it says in the book. Okay, so this is talking more about that Cadillac Series 75 Fleetwood that George Barris had built. Got some additional pictures. That's really cool inside. Apparently this is referred to as the Gold Cadillac, and it used to go on promotional tours, but it is currently, I believe, residing in the Country Music Hall of Fame in Nashville. So that's kind of cool. That might be something really cool to go see one of these days. Alright, so let's see what it says here for box 12. Are you a proud Elvis fan? Then show it to everyone and pin your fancy new fan button from box 12 to your jacket. Alright, well, that was a pretty short box opening. Alright, so I will add some fun facts I found out. Now, as I said, I listen to Elvis a lot, especially around the holidays, and, you know, I always thought, wow, he must have put out a lot of Christmas albums, but apparently he only put out 2 in his career. The first album, entitled simply Elvis's Christmas Album, premiered in October of 1957, and his second one, titled Elvis Sings the Wonderful World of Christmas, debuted in October 1971. Now, that's kind of interesting for me because, like I said, I thought he must have had a lot of Christmas albums, and I guess maybe a lot of his Christmas albums have come out after his death, but during his career, he actually only had 2 Christmas albums, so a little interesting fact there for Elvis. And with that, that concludes October 12th, so I will see you guys back here tomorrow on the 13th for our next step in the Advent calendar, and until then, have a great day, be safe out there, and go build something.